everyone, I, Sheetal Badesra, Faculty of Management Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on nature of management. So, let's discuss one by one. Number one, management is goal oriented. It is a tool which helps use of human and physical resources to fulfill the predetermined goals. Number two, management integrates human, physical and financial resources. In an organization, human beings work with non-human resources like machines, materials, financial assets, buildings, etc. Management integrates human efforts to those resources. Number three, management is a continuous process. Management is an ongoing process. It involves continuous handling of problems and issues. Number four, management is all pervasive. It means management is required in all the types of organizations, whether it is political, social or business, because it helps and directs various efforts to a definite purpose. Number five, management is a group activity, which means management is a very much less concerned with individuals' efforts. It is more concerned with groups. Number six, management is a composite process. It is made up of individuals' ingredients. It here stands for management. The whole process is integrative and performed in a network fashion. So, now I hope that you have understood the nature of management in a deeper way. Thank you very much.